good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Day 2 in Jamaica, day 2 on our vacation, and I'm heading to a hair appointment, so don't mind my crazy hair. I know I'll be getting more stares in Jamaica than I would normally be getting stares in France, because people see me walking with camera or talking to myself. Babe walking far from me because he doesn't want the stairs too. You don't want the stairs? People looking at you talking to a camera. The sun is out as usual. It's super hot. Me a burn up. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. You get it right away off the bat. Me a burn up simply means I am hot. Very, very hot. Say it, babe.
Me a burn up.
Me a burn up. Say it louder.
Me a burn up.
Ah! So there you have babe take on the Jamaican expression. I'm actually heading to get my favorite patty, of course, and then I'm going to head to the hair appointment. But first, I'm going to go across this road before I get hit. Yes, baby? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hello? Say hello to the vlog. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. So we're actually in halfway tree. Let me show you guys what halfway tree look like. Hi! I just saw one of my schoolmates calling me. So she there going in the bank. So much people gonna recognize me because schoolmates and I'm home. So a lot of people just gonna be shouting, Melissa! That was so cool just to hear somebody shouting out my name. Yeah. So hi to my schoolmates who just shouted me out. Heading to get patty and then head to my hair appointment. This is my last appointment for the vacation. That's why I'm just getting them out of the way from early so we can enjoy the rest of the vacation. So yeah, babe, how are you dreading coming to my appointment?
Say again?
How are you coming to my appointment? Have to be sitting and waiting on me?
Well, I'm not feeling too good actually. My head hurting and...
Why is your head hurting? You're tired? You're hungry? What?
I'm waking up that way.
You woke up like that?
Yeah.
Really?
Like that. Yeah. Maybe I just slept in a bad position. I don't know.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm not feeling too good to take the bus and...
Hush.
Not feeling too good.
We just took the bus from Spanish Town and my appointment is in about 45 minutes, but I need to grab something to eat first and then head to the appointment. Of course I'm gonna have patty. Hello. Alright, I'm going to have... You want juice, babe? Should I get the meal or no? Alright, can I have 2 cheese patty, please? You guys, I'm having patty for the second day. Yes, baby? Yes, baby? You want patty? You want patty? Say patty, patty. Yeah, just 2 cheese patty. That should be it. How much? 400. Actually gonna eat something and then head to our appointment, head to my appointment. So we'll catch you guys after my hair is done too. On the plaza where I have my appointment, and I just saw one of my schoolmates, Shana, but she also does nail hair on this plaza. I hope I don't get flagged for that music. Her salon is, I'm gonna let you tell you exactly where her nail shop is.
I'm on Central Plaza. It's the side where Pink's Fabric is. Upstairs, Mirror Beauty Supplies.
Alright, there you have
Shana
it,
guys. You can check us out.
I'm gonna put her information in the description box below. So if you guys ever in half a tree and want to get your nails done, okay, come and check out Shana's place. Alright?
Yeah.
Baby, look. Look here. Baby. Who's that? Who's that? Get up. Up. Babe and one of my friends just went to get something to drink because it's super hot and baby head is kind of feeling woozy because of the heat. So he's going to get something to eat. I'm still actually here waiting on my hairdresser to arrive. So as soon as she comes, then my braiding can be well on its way. But it's not anything. No, don't trouble it. It's not anything too long, so it shouldn't take too long. Maybe like an hour and a half. No. And Tyler is here roaming and being Tyler. Come. So this is the final look, and she's on Central Plaza, and I'm gonna put all the information down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check her out. Oh, let me show you her too. How? Guys, so we stopped to have lunch and we're having soup, good Jamaican red pea soup, and of course I'm having another patty. Tyler is just waiting to grub in the soup right now. Look how yummy this is. You guys can see that? Really good. I'm in love with this hairstyle right now. But I don't want to get flogged for this music, so I'm gonna stop talking and just enjoy my food. You guys, we're in a bus heading to Crossroads, but it's a downtown bus. So we're in a bus the real Jamaican way. Tyler is here chilling, and baby's here enjoying the Jamaican atmosphere, right, babe? Dongaton. 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 Babe love when they say Dongaton.
What they say?
Dongaton. Say it. Dongaton.
Dongaton.
Yes. They simply saying that they're going downtown. So there you guys have another Jamaican expression for today. You guys, why this bus is shaking the hell out of me. You guys will be getting a lot of Jamaican expressions on this trip. Dongaton. They're simply saying that they're going downtown, okay? So Dongaton means they're going downtown. Babe love when they say Apache, Dongaton. Right, baby? You guys, we're in a bus packed with people heading to meet my sister to go home. Baby's super tired, but my Jamaican expression that I taught you guys about small of the sales is exactly what is happening in this bus right now. Let me show you the Jamaican way, small of the sales.
today we're home earlier than yesterday, so we don't have to get food on the road. We're home in time to cook. As usually, you know who is cooking, not me. So we're going to see the chef. We're going to see the chef and we're going to find out what's for dinner. Chef Mel. What's for dinner?
I'm making mac and cheese for you guys and veggies for me.
You don't want mac and cheese?
No, I don't feel for mac and cheese.
Okay.
And it's going with sausage and mackerel, the real Jamaican way, with some mixed veg.
Okay.
And that's dinner.
That's dinner.
Yep.
4 plates.
Yep.
4 plates of dinner. That's something that you can't find in France. That's
Nope.
something that.
You'll
Okay.
never find this in France.
Okay. So it's special Jamaican way.
Yes.
Okay.
Call it tin boom.
Tin boom.
Yes. Tin boom.
Alright. So I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna let them know if they should choose Jamaican food.
So that's dinner. You guys, we have a long day. Tala is here roaming. Ty. Look. Say hello. Say hello. You guys, Tala is here roaming. We had a long day. I got my hair done today.
Very pretty.
We saw lots of friends, and babe actually is in love with this hairstyle. Tala is kind of whiny because it's his bedtime. Beep beep. So we're actually going to go ahead and end the vlog. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this Jamaican vlog so far. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're just gonna sign out, say bye. Thanks you guys for watching. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.